children, welcome you for the book reading part. Microbodies. Tiny, but it is very important. These are small sac-like structure bounded by the single membrane. They are different kinds: lysosome, peroxisomes, glyoxysomes. So lysosomes, lysis breaking down. Lysis means breaking down. Soma means body. It is also known as suicidal bag. Why it is also known as suicidal bag? Because it is digesting the damaged cell by their own. That is why it is also called suicide bag. Lysosome are also present in almost all animal cells and also some non-green plant cell. They perform intracellular digestion. What do you mean by intracellular digestion? The digestion takes place inside the body. Example, amoeba. What is the main features of lysosome? It is a membranous sac budded off from Golgi body. The membranes they got from Golgi body. It may be in hundreds in a single cell. So what is the count of lysosome in a cell? Hundreds. It contains several enzymes. Okay, so lysosome contains several enzymes. Material to be acted upon the enzymes enter the lysosome. Lysosomes also called as suicidal bag as enzymes contained in them can digest the cell's own material when damaged or dead. Importance of intracellular digestion by the lysosome helps in nutrition of the cell by digesting the food, as they are rich in various hydrolyzing enzymes which enable them to digest almost all major chemical constituents of the living cell. Okay, helps in defense by digesting germs, as in white blood cells. Help in cleaning up the cell by digesting damaged material of the cell. It provides energy during cell starvation by digestion of the own part of the cell. Help sperm cell in entering the egg by breaking through the egg membrane. So what is the intracellular digestion in lysosome? It helps in the digesting the food and digesting germs also done by lysosome, and digesting the damaged cell material, and it gives energy during the cell starvation, and it helps sperm cell to reach the egg by breaking the egg membrane. And the next one is peroxisomes. Peroxisomes found both in plant cell and also animal cells, found in the green leaves of higher plants. So where peroxisomes are found? It is in green leaves. They participate in oxidation of substrates, resulting in the formation of hydrogen peroxide. I said you in the class itself, what do you mean by oxidation? What do you mean by oxidation? The process of some element reacting with oxygen, and it is giving the final result. Here the hydrogen is reacting with oxygen, and it is gives us hydrogen peroxide, which is helpful in prevention of infection of animal cell. Okay, what is the role of peroxisome in plant cell? Which is helpful in photo respiration process. Understood? Okay, then functions. So they often contain a central core of crystalline material called nucleoid, composed of urate oxidase and crystals. Here also I said this urate oxidase and crystal, this is a term related to uric acid, and that is present in liver and also kidney. The shape of peroxisomes are spherical shape or ovoid shape, but the size is mitochondria size, which means 0.5 micrometer to 100 micrometer. They are closely associated with endoplasmic reticulum. They are involved in photorespiration in plant cell. They bring out fat metabolism in cell. Fat metabolism means converting the indigestion of fats into fatty acids. Okay, and the third one is glyoxysomes. The microbodies present in plant cell and morphologically similar to peroxisomes, found in the cell of yeast and certain fungi, and also oil rich seed in plants. So where we can find lysosome? It is in non-green plants and also animal cell. Where can we find peroxisome? That is both in plant cell and also animal cell. Where can we find this glyoxysomes? It is in plant cell and also cell of yeast, fungi, and also oil rich seeds. What is the function of glyoxysomes? They contain enzymes of fatty acid metabolism involved in the conversion of lipid into carbohydrate during germination. Actually, lipid only most powerful than carbohydrate, but here the lipids are converted into carbohydrate. Why? Because carbohydrate gives energy, and also it is easy to, the conversion process will be short in time. Okay, so that only the lipids are converted into carbohydrate during seed germination. Then centriole. Centriole, it is present in all the animal cells located just outside the nucleus. It is cylindrical in shape and 0.5 micrometer in length and without a membrane. And we said about ribosome also, no? So ribosome do not have any membrane, as it is centriole also do not have any membrane. It has 9 set of peripheral triplet tubules but none in the center, as I shown you in the picture, no? So the 9 set is available but not anything in the center. Each set has the 3 tubules. Tubules are nothing but simply a hole, okay, but that are arranged in a different angles. It also has its own DNA and also RNA, so it is also known as self duplicating or self-replicating. Why? Because it is involved in the process of cell division. Cell division means cells are divided into many cells. So self-duplication and also cell replication is done in centriole. Okay. So and then function of centriole. Centrioles are involved in cell division. They give orientation to the mitotic spindle which forms during cell division, which means it involves in the process of mitosis and also meiosis. Mitosis means creating a new cell. Meiosis means creating a sperm cell in male and egg cell in female. Okay. Then cilia and flagella. So these are the structures similar to centriole. They have the same 9 set of triplet organization as in the centrioles. The cilia and flagella appear to arise from basal bodies. It helps in the locomotion and adhesion of the cells. Locomotion means helps in movement. Adhesion means it should not it should be easily attached to other part of the cell. So that is called adhesion. Locomotion means movement to be easily attached with other part of the cell. So that is called adhesion. And this is your questions. So what do you mean by intracellular digestion? So this is a common general question. So every organism requires energy to be active. It obtains energy from its outside environment. Cells must not only retrieve molecules from their surroundings but also break them down. This process is known as intracellular digestion. And list down the functions of peroxisomes. And where does lysosome present? So lysosome are present in almost animal cells and also some non-green plants. And here the detailed question about centriole. So complete your home test question and here your worksheet. The first Roman letter is like the match the following. So scavenger of the skull. Scavenger means cleaner. Okay. So in this, which of the cleaner of the cell? So you have to read all those 5 questions on the right side and the apt match of the left side. So match the following. And here multiple choice questions. Lysosome are also called. Read 4 options thoroughly and choose your correct answer. Centriole and centrosomes are present in the cells of. So centriole, you know well, it is involved in cell division and where it is present also. So once you got any one of the point also, both also similar, okay. And maximum enzymes are found in dash. So in that particular answer is there, so you have to find out. And cilia and flagella helps in dash and dash. And write the function for the following. Actually lysosome, peroxisomes, glyoxysomes and also centriole. So you have to write the function, only the function, okay. And correct the false statement. So lysosomes are present only in animal cells. So here which is false, that I have given you in a bold and also underlined word. So the mistake is there. So you have to correct it by your own. Understood? Okay. And crossword puzzle. So this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in an across wise and also down wise, so write the answer, read the question and write the answer in the column, and at last you will get all the answers. So no problem in that. Okay, and that's all. So complete your worksheet and also home test questions by your own. I hope you will do it. Thank you, children.